Stop saying different. This one word makes you sound way smarter. Unconventional. Pronounce it as unconventional, with the emphasis on ven. It means not bound by or conforming to established rules, rules of conduct, or traditions, highly original and unusual. Instead of renting a typical office, she ran her $1 million startup entirely from a refurbished school bus. That is an unconventional approach to business. Instead of saying different, say unconventional to sound more advanced. Now it is your turn. Use the word unconventional in a sentence and drop it in the comments. Follow for a brand new powerful word every single day.